For more than 2 decades, staff at the Grand Rapids Red Project have been working to reduce the negative consequences associated with drug use. We spoke with them about the technology that's allowing them to take that a step further and the legal challenges surrounding harm reduction. 2 years ago, the Grand Rapids Red Project became the first in the state to offer real-time drug checking with an FTIR machine.
I only need like half a grain of rice. That's at least what we tell people.
People bring in a small sample of whatever they're using.
So we can see here that this one has some fentanyl because this peak matches very well.
And the machine shows which substances are in it.
The supply of opioids that's available in our community is highly complex right now, and it's highly dangerous, and it's highly variable.
Executive Director Stephen Alsum says a significant amount of opioid samples contain fentanyl, one of the deadliest synthetic opioids.
We're trying to advance harm reduction services in Michigan, really provide people with access to the knowledge, information, tools, and support that they need to stay healthy and stay alive.
The success of the Red Project's drug checking program allowed the organization to expand its services into Muskegon in its second year, and this year they're taking it even further, providing support to similar programs in Flint, Ypsilanti, and Kalamazoo.
So I'd really like to see drug checking programs be available in more areas of the state of Michigan.
The challenge, Alsum says, is many of the tools people need to stay healthy and alive are criminalized. It's something Representative Carrie Reingans has been working to change. In 2023, she introduced 2 bills that would decriminalize drug testing reagents and syringes for the purpose of harm reduction programs.
There are different local ordinances, and sometimes you don't even realize you've passed from one township to another or a city to another city. So we would like to standardize this exemption for syringes and fentanyl test strips, and even naloxone is necessary across the state.
On the other side of the aisle, Representative Brian Posthumus believes the solution is harsher punishments for distributors and border security.
I'm a person that has dealt with an alcohol problem in my past, and I don't know that enabling that is going to be helpful. And so we need to be focusing on ensuring that the drugs aren't making it to our communities first and foremost.
But harm reduction advocates don't see it as enabling, arguing drug users are going to use either way, and seeing the decline of fentanyl deaths over the last few years.
So we really need to sustain that investment in harm reduction programming that we've seen over the last 4 or 5 years and build on that.
Tomorrow night, we'll share the many stories of those who have felt the biggest impact of the fentanyl crisis. You can watch our special Lethal Dose starting at 7 tomorrow night, right after News 8 at 6.